Hello and welcome to this video review of the Luggage Strap-It. It's a good quality strap and I'm going to show you how the lock works. Okay, if we put our thumbnail here we can move this little lever down and that enables us to change the number. So I've changed it to 103. Click in again, change it, we can't open it, move to 103. There we go. No surprise there, that's great. Now if we look closely we can see a little green dot here and a key lock, and this is for the American security so that they can open this while it's being checked during the airport, and if it's open that turns to red, but it doesn't affect this lock.